Hey y'all, hey. So today is day 11 of Vlogtober and I just washed my hair. Today we're gonna do a wig install. I'm currently deep conditioning. I don't want to stay under the hoodie dryer, so I'm just gonna leave this on my hair for like 30 minutes or so, I think the packet say, and then yeah, and then I'm just gonna get into this week install. But I just wanted to come on here and kind of just give you guys, you know, basically a little intro of what's going on today. I recently just got a new wig. I'm really excited about it. Since it's fall, I wanted to try this color. You know, it's supposed to be like fall color or whatever like that. My hair currently right now is like, I don't know, it's like my hair is falling out excessively and I don't know why. I have a dermatologist appointment the end sometime this month. I can't remember which day exactly, but I have a dermatology appointment this weekend, not this weekend, I'm bugging, this month. And I want to find out, like, you know, what's really going on, because like my hair is falling out like crazy. I had to cut the last time I washed my hair, I had to cut like a big chunk of my hair off, and I don't know, my hair is like doing its own thing. I don't know if it's like postpartum, like what do they call it, post pregnancy or postpartum or whatever, if that's the reason why my hair is falling out. Like, I have no idea, so I can't wait to go to the dermatologist to really find out. But anyways, that was just a little backstory on my hair. My hair is crazy. But yeah, so like I said, I'm gonna do this for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it out, and then I'm gonna catch y'all when it's time to install the wig. Okay, so yeah, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, okay, so that you are notified every time your girl upload a video. And make sure you like, comment, sprinkle them comments down below, and share with your family and friends, okay? And I'm gonna catch y'all when it's time to install this wig. Hey y'all, so as y'all can see, I already did my stocking cap, and this is the stuff that I got inside of the bag. This is a edge band that you use to wrap your edges with. This is a bonnet, and I also got a little brush thing. I don't know what the brush is for, but I got the brush and I got some lashes. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I got, and then we're gonna get into this wig install. I'm gonna show you guys what the wig look like. So this is what the wig look like. I liked it when it came fresh out of the bag, but as I installed it, y'all gonna see I didn't really like it. But whatever, let's get into this wig. Yeah, I see I did my little makeup or whatever, okay, but whatever. But yeah, so I'm going in with my foundation. I actually sprayed some Got To Be spray on the lace of the wig, and I went in with my foundation. I applied the foundation to the lace under the wig, and I also applied it to my wig cap. So yeah, so that's what you guys see I'm doing here. Keep in mind, I'm not really good at this wig install stuff. I'm still learning. I'm still trying to find my way with this whole wig stuff. But yeah, you guys can let me know what you think about the wig and stuff like that. As y'all can see, I went ahead and just cut off the little lace that they had in the back of the wig, and let's get to work. Right now I'm just fitting it to my head to kind of see where I want to glue it at, where I need to glue it at. I think I did the stocking cap too high up. I don't know, it's like the way my hairline is shaped is so weird. But yeah, I don't know how to do this. I applied the glue in dots, like little dots, and then I took my popsicle stick and just spread it across my stocking cap and everything like that. And I kind of let it dry, but I used my baby's stroller fan because she was taking a nap and I didn't want to use the blow dryer to make it loud, so I used the fan. And I guess I didn't wait until it was dry properly before I applied the wig, because as y'all could see, it was still white and everything before I put the wig on, and it was just a hot mess. But y'all see what I'm doing. Took my scissors and went in and did some slits instead of cutting the lace all off completely all together. I just did some slits and then I cut it like that. Y'all, I swear baby hair is like the hardest thing ever to do. So I took some hair out to do the baby hair, and then I used my flat iron to kind of like curl it up. Don't be like me, y'all need to get a small flat iron that's good for that. I need to get one too. So but yeah, I ended up using my regular flat iron, and I don't know, these baby hairs was hard. I don't know how to do this shit. I don't know how to do it. Hey y'all, hey. So this is the finished product. I kind of went ahead and flat ironed it. I don't really like it though. I'm not really feeling it, but I just went ahead and put this little headband thing on. I don't know what's going on with these baby hairs. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, obviously. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's not like the best wig ever, and it's nothing like how it looks on the website, but whatever. I can't return it now because I already cut it, did all of that stuff. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig, if you like it, don't like it, or you know, whatever. Maybe I'll try to put some curls in there, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.